Today, we delve into the Dynamic Data Replicator, where we'll be transferring sales order data from the source system to the target system while also scrambling a specific field. Let's start by examining my source system, where I've created a sales document numbered 19,108. This data will be replicated in my target system, indicated by the blue interface. Currently, the target system displays an error indicating that this document doesn't exist there. We'll address this by copying the data and simultaneously scrambling a specific field. The text purchase order will be transformed into random characters. We're utilizing the Dynamic Data Replicator for this task. Here's the DDR interface. In the data refresh section, we would specify a date range, enabling us to transfer only the data within that period. This feature is valuable for non-production systems where historical data might not be necessary. By specifying a date range, we optimize storage space. Imagine you have a massive 10 terabytes of data on your production server, but you only need the latest data for your non-production systems, such as quality sandbox or development environments. You don't need historical data. You only require current information. To achieve this, you can use a specific date range. In this demonstration, I'm selecting from October 15th until October 16th as my selected range. Moving on to configuration, I will now select custom followed by a blank template. I'll name my custom template DDR-123 and choose the connection type as RFC from the drop-down menu. Now I will have the option to select my connection type. For this demo, I'm using my XEC system. As you can now see, my source system and my target system are listed below. On this screen, select the business object group you want to use. I am going to select the process. Using user-defined filters, I locate the exact business object I want to copy, in this case, a sales document, and click Include. Now you have the option to include any custom table or Z table. You also have the option to exclude any technical table or any specific table that you do not wish to replicate. For now, I will leave this as it is and move on to the next step. Moving on to the object filter, you have the option to create a specific filter either by key field or table name. For this demo, I will use the key field and include a filter for VBAC. I will now create this filter, selecting sales document 19,108. Next, let's discuss data scrambling. You have the option to scramble data either at the source or at the target. I will select the source and specify the pattern name I want to use. I will include sales order in the list. With the scrambling settings in place, I can proceed to the replication process. However, before doing so, it's crucial to lock and release the template for the next run. This ensures that the configurations remain consistent for future executions. After releasing the template, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here you can choose the export ID you wish to execute. Simply select the export ID and click on Execute. You will be presented with the options to copy, delete, or overwrite. Once the template is released, I will be directed to dashboard, where I can select the export I want to execute. I will simply select the export today and click on Execute. I will be given the option to just copy, delete, and overwrite. As this data does not exist in my target system, I can go ahead and select copy. When the transport is released, it will start to read the data in the source system. The process may take a moment. And upon completion, the DDR dashboard provides detailed information about the copied tables and their sizes. You can also validate this data by comparing the source table and size with the target system. Both the source and target systems are now at 100 completion. In the target system, I can verify the copied data. When I access Pay3 and search for sales document number 19,108, the data appears. However, note that the purchase order field is scrambled as indicated by the random characters. This demonstration highlights the DDR's proficiency in time-based data refresh and scrambling, guaranteeing precise replication while safeguarding confidential data. I trust this walkthrough has been enlightening and useful. Thank you for investing your time in watching this video. If you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact us via the email provided below.